Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified from my new videos. And for everybody else, hi guys. Okay, so first off, before I start this, happy Monday. I hope you all had an amazing weekend. I had a really interesting weekend. I can't share with you yet what has happened, but boy, oh boy, are things about to change. I'm still in shock, actually. Okay, I'm gonna share soon. I promise. I will share soon, but I can't share yet. Now, I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. I'm telling you, mine was out of this world, but it was really good and really positive, and I'm really excited. Okay, um, guys, I finally finished decorating for Easter. Oh my goodness. I thought I was never going to get it done. I thought, my God, Bella, everybody has posted their Easter tours and you haven't. And it's because I wasn't ready. I wasn't done. And you know what, guys? I was moving stuff around and moving things from here to there. And some things I liked, some things I didn't. So this is it. This is what I've come up with. This is the best I can do. I really hope you like it. I really want to invite you into my home. Guys, in this video, I'm going to do the entire house, kitchen and everything. And I've also filmed an area of my house, which I've never shown before. But my girlfriend was like, Bella, it's such a pretty space. You have got to show it. So I did. And I hope you like it. Okay. You know I love to ramble. Enough with me talking. Let's get started on the video. And and you're gonna get to see Miss Mia because she makes a bunch of appearances and I couldn't control that. So if you love dogs, you'll love my puppy. Okay guys, come on in, let's go see the house. Okay guys, so there's Mia. She's here to say hi to everyone. And we're in my hallway. This is what you see when you first walk into the house. And I just left everything the way it was when I did my other tour. There's my wreath, and there's the front hallway table. It all remained the same. But I want to take you down this hallway. These are those two tiny little wreaths, the cotton stem wreaths with the green metal leaves, that I just added them to these doors. And I think they look so cute. These are the ones I got from Pier 1. I already hauled them for you guys. Okay, and then here, this is my powder room door. And I just added this bunny wreath. And I got this last year from Hobby Lobby. And I added this little eggs nest. And guys, this is my powder room. I even added a little bit of bunnies in here. These two cute little bunnies are from the dollar store. And there's my Easter towels. And I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what my actual powder room looks like. It's pretty blingy and pretty girly, but I really wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, this is how I have my towels set up. And everyone laughs at me because I have ribbon around them. I don't let anyone use them. They're just for decorative purposes. And here's my Chanel painting. And this is what I have above the toilet. These two little mirrors. And that little pink orchid, because I got like a pink theme going on in here. And then here's another Chanel painting. Okay, let's go to the dining room. Okay, guys, so this is my dining room. And there's Miss Mia waiting for all of us. Guys, I left the dining room as is. I haven't set up the table yet for our Easter dinner. I probably will do a video of how I'm going to set the table up formally. But this is just the centerpiece I made with the palm leaves and some flowers and those blingy Easter eggs. Oh, and here's a glimpse of my two new chairs. Yeah, over the weekend, actually, I bought some chairs for the dining room. And there's my hutch. And that's what I have on the fireplace. And then you get a glimpse of my big giant painting. And there's another view. I really like this. I think it's simple yet elegant, the centerpiece. And I'm really happy how it turned out this year. And I really like it in sets of 3. Okay, here's a glimpse of what's inside my hutch. If you haven't been around and haven't been following, this is how I set it up for Easter, actually. I got a ton of bunnies in there, and I love these bunny plates. If you're new and haven't seen it, I will link the video down below, or you can find it in my spring playlist. And this is my Easter village, which I am so obsessed with. And I've had this village since way before my daughter was born. Okay, and there's the other side. And here's another view of the dining room. I'm sorry, but the lighting, I guess it's really bright. Okay, guys, this is like a little tiny table that I have in my dining room also. And this is my absolute favorite DIY I've ever made. That is all Dollar Tree flowers in a silver ice bucket. And it's still my favorite DIY. Okay, here's a view of what you see when you go in the living room. So let's go in the living room now. This is to the left when you walk into the living room. I just did this little vignette, this little bunny and some candle holders in a tray on this cute little table that I have. And there's Miss Mia again. And then this is like a tiny little table that I have. Oh my God, I love this moss bunny so much. I'm really loving these moss bunnies. I really think next year this is gonna be my theme, is those moss bunnies. Okay, this little tiny cloche was from Walmart last year and it was so inexpensive. Here are my pillows. Guys, the little pink plaid pillow with the bunny wearing the little glasses, and this Hello Spring pillow, and then another purple ruffly pillow was sent to me by my good friend Betsy Ann. Thank you, Betsy. I love them. Isn't that the cutest? She got them at Ross, guys. They are so cute. And then this is what I have as my coffee table centerpiece. It's really simple, but I added those brand new candle holders that I just got from Kirkland. And guys, I absolutely love those candle holders. Okay, way down in the corner, there's just a little small spring bouquet and a picture of me and Angela and my husband. And then on this little side table is just some flowers and my silver candle holders, or mercury glass candle holders, with some little birds. And here's a view of the shelves. And if you've been following along, you know I just restyled them. And here is another one of my absolute favorite DIYs that I did this year, guys. I guess they're like blooming candle holders with moss bunnies in it. They're so cute. Okay, I never showed this in a video. And yes, I did change my mantle. So I'm just gonna give you a quick view of what I did. It's 2 different garlands. The greenery garland is from Hobby Lobby if you're interested. And then I layered on top another garland with the eggs and the little hydrangeas. That one is from Michael's. And I just love it. I think it's nice and it's simple. Oh my God. Look at Mr. Farmer and Mrs. Bunny. This is my couple bunny. I love them. And then I just have this little basket with some pillows in there. And there's my other shelf, and I'm all styled for Easter. Oh, okay. Yeah. So guys, this is the chair that I've been working on. It's not done yet, but this is that antique chair that I've been telling you about that's been in my family for God knows how long. I've been trying to clean it, and you'll see. I'll make a video on it. But here's my little bar cart. just added these little bunnies, and I pretty much left it the same. I just added some bunnies. But I'm so loving this antique chair, guys. Okay, let's go into the kitchen. Okay, guys, here's my kitchen. Here's my coffee bar. And I just left it alone from when I styled it with you guys. I might leave that video linked down below if anyone's new and hasn't watched it. And here on my pantry door, I just put this lemon wreath. And I'm going to give you a view of above. I have this clock. I love that clock. I've had it for forever. And this is my like kitchen desk, which is a little bit of a mess, but I just added this really pretty flower arrangement on there. And these two bunny dish towels on my stove. But guys, these two here, these two dish towels, if anyone's interested, I just found them at the Canadian dollar store and they're really pretty. Okay, in the corner here, I have this little lamp and all my cutting boards. And then I just added that little bunny wreath, like twiggy wreath with the yellow eggs. And that not Hobby Lobby, but it's from Walmart, actually. And then I just added some lemons on my window. And everybody's got Miss Myers on their sink, right? And then here's just a little sign that says he is risen. I actually got that last year at Ross, but I'm pretty sure they have it again. And then that's my wall oven, and it's got the same towels. And then there's my wreath, my kitchen door wreath. And then this little table with some tulips and a bunny cookie jar. And then this, I made like a little nest egg with a little bunny and my faith sign. Totally love that. And then on this little table, I don't know many of you have seen it or not. I just recently made this chalkboard. I love it. Love, love, love it. And it says Easter blessings. And I drew that out with some sidewalk chalk, actually. Okay, guys, and here's a view of my table. I did take off the bunny plates and the glasses if you saw how I styled it. Here's another view of my kitchen. And this is like the entrance to my kitchen coming off the living room. I have this side table with this magnolia painting and my shelf. I already showed you guys how I styled this. But I just wanted you to get a look to see how everything looks all put together and what the house looks like. Okay, here's another view of the living room. Guys, on this wall ledge here, I got this little flower thing from HomeSense, I'm pretty sure. And here's another view of the living room. Thank you so much. I'm so excited that you guys came to join me on my tour, by the way. And now it's getting dark. So I just put the lamps on so you can see what it looks like. Okay, guys. I think my guest wants to say bye to you. She's all pooped out. There she is. Bye from Miss Mia. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. You're always welcome into my home. Thank you so much, so much to all my subscribers. You girls, you have no idea, all you wonderful women, how much you touch my heart. That's right. This channel may not have the most subscribers, but this channel has the best subscribers in all of YouTube. Thank you for all your positivity. Thank you for all your kind words, your thoughtfulness, your prayers, I cannot thank you enough. I really cannot thank you enough. I don't have the proper words to express my true gratitude for all you guys. Now, I know, I wanted to say this, and my daughter thought, Mom, maybe you shouldn't say it. And then I thought, no, I want to say it. This comes from my heart, and I want to say this. Okay, guys, I know you've seen all the bunnies, and I know you've seen all the cutesy wootsy Easter eggs and all the decor, and I love to decorate. I truly do. But I have to say this because it is who I am, and I want you to know this about me. And I hope I don't offend anyone. I really hope I don't offend anyone because that's not what I'm trying to do. But for me, Easter is a huge celebration, and it is Jesus Christ's resurrection, and that just means everything to me. I don't want to go into too much detail because I don't want to get in trouble, but that's what it means for me. And yes, in my house, we do serve the Lord, and I am very proud that I do. So, that being said, I really hope I didn't offend anyone. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much for all your beautiful comments and your support and your love. I just want you to know how much it means to me. I hope you have an amazing, beautiful Easter with your family, whichever way you celebrate it. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.